Welcome to Balance Echo. Today we'll talk about the importance of creating a personal home sanctuary for meditation, a space where you can retreat from the noise of everyday life and reconnect with yourself. In this video, we'll explore why having a dedicated space for meditation can be transformative, how to choose the right spot, and how to arrange the space to support a sense of peace, clarity, and relaxation. Whether you're just beginning or already a seasoned meditator, setting up an intentional space for your practice is a powerful way to deepen your connection to mindfulness. Let's start with why it matters to have a specific area for your practice. Meditation is about stillness and inner peace, and when your external environment reflects these qualities, it can enhance your ability to connect with yourself. A dedicated space encourages consistency in your practice. It becomes a sanctuary for reflection, focus, and calm. In our modern world where we are constantly stimulated by screens, noise, and demands, having a quiet, intentional space can help separate your meditation practice from the busyness of daily life. When you enter this space, it signals your mind and body to unwind, relax, and be present. Choosing a location for your meditation sanctuary is an essential first step. You don't need a lot of room. A corner in a bedroom, living room, or even a spot in your garden can work well. The key is finding a quiet area where you won't be easily disturbed. Look for a space that feels comfortable, calm, and inviting. Natural light is a great addition as it helps set a positive mood. If natural light is limited, using soft, warm lighting can make the space feel soothing. Pay attention to the energy of the space. Does it feel peaceful to you? If not, take some time to adjust the arrangement or location until you find a spot that feels right. One of the foundational principles of creating a sanctuary is simplicity. Cluttered spaces can distract the mind, making it harder to relax. So begin by decluttering the area you've chosen for your meditation practice. Remove unnecessary items. This is about creating a space of stillness. Minimalism is key here, but that doesn't mean the space has to be bare. Choose only those objects that bring a sense of calm, inspiration, or grounding. This could be a plant, a piece of art, or a spiritual symbol that holds personal significance to you. Personalizing your meditation area makes it feel more like a sanctuary. Think of this space as a reflection of your inner world, a place where you can access your truest self. You might choose to incorporate elements that resonate with your spiritual or mindfulness practice, such as a meditation cushion, a soft blanket, or incense. Many people like to include items that evoke peace and presence. Things like candles, crystals, or meaningful objects like statues or artwork. These elements can help ground your practice and make the space feel sacred. A small altar or table where you can place these objects can become a focal point in your sanctuary. In many spiritual traditions, connecting with nature and the elements can deepen your meditation practice. Even if you're indoors, you can bring nature into your sanctuary. Plants are a wonderful way to incorporate the element of earth. Their presence reminds us of growth and life. You can also incorporate elements like water with a small fountain, fire with candles, or air with incense or essential oils. These elements not only enhance the sensory experience of meditation, but also help cultivate a sense of balance and harmony in your space. Sound and scent are powerful tools in creating a calming atmosphere. Soft background music, nature sounds, or the gentle ring of a singing bowl can help anchor your mind during meditation. You could also experiment with using bells or gongs to signal the beginning or end of your session. Scent can play a significant role in relaxation too. Essential oils, incense, or candles infused with calming fragrances like lavender, sandalwood, or frankincense can create an immediate sense of peace when you enter your space. Scent is closely tied to memory and emotion, so using it consistently can train your brain to associate that smell with relaxation and mindfulness. One of the most crucial aspects of your meditation sanctuary is comfort. You'll want to ensure the space feels physically inviting so that you can sit for long periods without discomfort. Invest in a quality meditation cushion, chair, or mat that allows you to sit comfortably with good posture. The more comfortable you are, the easier it will be to maintain focus during your practice. Some people prefer a chair with back support, while others like to meditate directly on the floor. Make sure to experiment and find what works best for your body. Creating rituals for your space. Once your sanctuary is set up, you can develop small rituals that signal the beginning and end of your meditation practice. This might include lighting a candle, ringing a bell, or spending a few moments focusing on your breath before diving into your meditation. These rituals help create a sense of intentionality. When you perform these actions, they tell your mind, this is the time for stillness and reflection. Over time, these practices become a meaningful part of your meditation routine, helping you center yourself even before your practice begins. Setting the mood with lighting. Lighting plays an essential role in creating the right atmosphere. Harsh lighting can make it difficult to relax, while soft, ambient lighting encourages stillness and peace. Consider dimming your lights or using candles or string lights to create a more tranquil ambience. The goal is to make the space feel warm, inviting, and serene. If you meditate in the evening, turning down the lights can help prepare your body for rest, making your meditation sanctuary a perfect place to unwind at the end of the day. Building a routine. Creating a home sanctuary for meditation is just the first step. The next step is consistency. Having a space dedicated to mindfulness will encourage you to return to your practice regularly, but building a routine is what makes meditation truly effective. Start small if you're new to meditation. Even just 5 or 10 minutes each day can create profound shifts in your well-being. Over time, you can gradually increase the length of your practice as it becomes more ingrained in your daily routine. Keep your sanctuary inviting, and over time it will become a cherished place of retreat and healing. Creating a home sanctuary for meditation is a powerful way to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. By intentionally designing a space that feels peaceful, comfortable, and aligned with your practice, you'll find it easier to commit to your meditation journey. Remember, your sanctuary is personal. There are no rules beyond what makes you feel calm and centered. Use it as a space to reconnect with yourself, find balance, and cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.